even when they put this in for ear, when they put on well, not because I'm going to rub my ear every time. If you don't, I will come.
Welcome to the club. That's how I used to rub
my ear. It could make me the rub ear. You know, go put something well. It could make me the rub ear every time. It is I go take him. It can't do me. It can't do more than a dead rat. Nonsense.
You okay? Calm down. It's not quarrel.
Anyway, now welcome back. This one don't wear glasses. You form James Bond
before you swear.
Yeah, vanity on top vanity. I don't kill you.
You don't prepare yourself. What's be work? What's in one do as in wear that?
Now, ma shock you now. You know this, my friend. Why holla? Why I say Omotine in Mogi for Chicago? I see the guy tell me that your DJ. He's kind of cute though. Can I have his number?
Hey.
Like, can we have something like just me and him?
Hey. You go in that prison.
My dog lick your nose. You will die.
D.E.D.
D.E.D. dead. D.E.D. dead. Anyway, we'll tell us we get Michael Opara for Inside Studio. I beg join us as welcome again. Michael Opara into the studio of Night Show. Welcome, my brother. Welcome, my brother. This guy, in fact, you know what's going to happen?
Too much.
This guy, I'm not going to talk. In fact, we'll not get a question to ask him. As we did now. We'll not get, now here, EzyBeatz, now get work. Nah. Yeah, You don't hear them keep people music career.
No.
I wish you know. I wish say all these artists they follow in channel for BBM. What a force! What the force again?
What the force?
What's the force about?
What is the force about?
What the force?
What is the force about? Because my sister in the Lord, you will kill yourself now. You be artist.
No, but how one person will get that kind of power?
No, you don't understand. Now, nothing they call constructive criticism.
Even at that, how many people they criticize you when you could fit take up?
No, this one, but not true. You don't in how many songs one nearly download one. I go always open them. I go always open them because in the truth we say in get ear for good music. You know what be good music. You go listen to them. Now even that song.
Who give that ear for good music? Ask her then.
You know see ear.
No.
See ear. See ear.
Like Elephant Jumbo.
It be like 90 cm DSTV dish.
You know that's why they collect. They receive.
They receive.
What they done at all.
Now, for example, it talk one thing. Now, not be say I get anything against that song. We won't talk so now. Now, pretty much everybody waiting for that song. Now, people will be my friends. Not only one person.
Which song?
Not only one person. I go say will not the talk. Now only when we see for event. Hey, you go hey you are Baba. Me say I go say hey you are Baba. Hey me Olamide. But you see every other person waiting that song. Now people I relate with my friends with the talk, normal talk, BBM phone talk. But trust me when I tell you say already had no business in that song.
Now you the talk, Michael.
Okay.
Michael Opara, over to you.
All right. Okay.
So why
First
you
of
that
all,
song first?
tell people now so that you go know say. Tell people what you they do.
Okay.
And I know we don't also not go ask question
right.
today because if you enter trouble now you go enter the trouble.
We need to ask her. You go just say like I'm a motivational speaker when you go just begin talk.
No, now you and EzyBeatz to go ask. I'm going to continue, Michael.
Okay. My people, I don't come back again. This is Mr. Foz. Now me they run the channel where they call What's the Fuss About? The BBM channel, with on top of your BlackBerry. The channel pin C003884001.
Call him again.
C00
300
388
388
401.
Call him again.
C00
300
388
388
401.
401.
Follow him for inside BBM. Now you're going to get information where we they get.
Now, the idea of the channel, to review music and to review movies, everything entertainment, to give opinion on stuff.
Okay.
Now, before war start, before they beat me when I come up for the studio, make I first clear something. Say, every artist way I did talk, maybe I yab your song, not because say I don't like you. Already, for example, I get plenty already songs where I like.
Oscoff.
Do you understand? But the thing be say, when you are going out of it, you not feel to get yes man. Everybody will tell you say, oh, which you do good. But make it clear, let's be honest. Do you understand? If I buy your album, now my money.
Yes.
If I download them, now my data. So now
yes.
me now, you understand? Now me they listen to rap. So I go no say okay, see. Do you understand? It just be like American people if they make film. You know, they'll use 40 million make film, but the film will only make 5 million for box office.
Yes.
But that don't mean say they go say they no go make film again.
And some of those films, you go see people for back, they go say so. This thing they describe them as the best movie.
Yes.
This one, now those will be the critic people.
The critic people, just that. So if you say the film not be, the film not make sense, if it not sell, but that don't mean say the film company go say, okay, we're not going to make film again. They go take that as correction, say, let us better ourselves. So now the reason why I did do what I do, because I don't notice it, like I said when I came on the last show design, I say, I don't go major sites.
Yes.
And waiting all these sites they do, they just they hype the song. They go just tell you, oh, this guy don't drop song. Go download them and everything. You don't know how the thing. But when you go download, they go say, why I go waste my data for this kind of matter?
You don't that thing that happen to you. Go download song, finish. You
it gets some kind of songs where, in short, once you just hear the first 2 words, you just say no. You don't delete. Do you understand? But nobody, they really take out time to... So I just decided, okay, make I do this thing. Not beside I be expert, I just be normal person. But I use my normal ear, waiting you and I, now we they listen to around.
Yes.
I'm a normal customer.
But now waiting you
Now waiting I think. So it's not be by force say you go take waiting I get.
Exactly.
But waiting I they make sure be say, I not just the open mouth, they say, oh, this person are nonsense, this person they do. They try, like you said, I try to be constructive. With waiting that they try tell you.
How long you don't do them?
I don't do this thing since the blog site itself. I started blogging in 2011. So I don't day for a while, and everything. Wow. But BBM channel had never been started by that time. Okay. So it was about, I think about last year or 2 years ago when BBM can't start. And I decided, okay, because I reason say, not be everybody they get time, they go inside. But everybody they carry phone. And say your updates now. So they look. That is the best way. And sure, when you see them on top of your updates, you don't necessarily need to enter the thing now with the one way you like. Now you go do. So it gives you the option and the flexibility. Okay. So that's why I decided to pump everything into it. And I said, okay, so let's just give this a shot. And
You know when you go blog now?
Blog. No, our own will go abuse people. They go come kill us. They go kill us quick. Because our own will not they hide them out. It's only an idiot. Go and kill yourself. Continue.
So with all of that, so that's so I've been taking the progress.
How many songs you don't review? As in songs when stand out?
No,
when stand out. Say get some things you remember for songs. When, maybe some very good ones, and then some where we say, hey, who send me a message?
Okay, I'm not gonna lie. Like I won't lie. The first time where I hear Ojueleba, Biscuit, I said it everywhere. Like this is the classic. I just told the day why they hear them. I said this. And the funny thing is, say most of the time, because people they always think say when me just listen to songs, say now let me go just sit down and just listen to songs. Most of the time, I dey there with my friends. Okay. So when we listen to song, you need to hear. You just say my mouth bad. You need to hear my friends. I go don't dislike. So what we go do? We go can't argue. Say no, now so the song be no, now so the thing be. Before I could say okay, let's us put it like this. So most of the time, if I hear a song, I go call me, my friends, we go listen to Ram and everything. I go say, okay, and everything. They go say, it gets some kind of songs where, because people, they send me songs. Yes. They go say, oh. And I always try to tell them, say, you they send me your song, and not be like the other side too. So if I talk bad, not vex. You understand? Not vex. I go always write disclaimer. I go warn you, say, so it gets some kind of song where as I just hear Ram.
Twice.
Oh, man.
Is it okay?
Make it gets some kind of song where I don't go post, so make I not just insult them, make I just save them.
For instance, they buy dog.
And they tell you, brother, but you go just date the script and want just so all of this. That's so we do. And apart from, because what I do, apart from saying music and everything, it's generally my whole life entirely. It gets some places like I think go some all these hotspots with the Lagos and everything. And based on the service where I receive, I feel say not that bad. And my blood is hot. Oh boy, if you see me carry phone, you're the fear. Because I don't start. No, these people, I didn't really take pictures.
And I see all this abuse where they abuse girls. Now, first of all,
which girls?
Girls, if you see,
now these ones what we do.
Is it eyebrows on fleek? You get what I see today where you put eyebrows. You see,
so these eyebrows,
if you follow waterfalls, if you follow the channel, trust me, you don't need enter in the cage to get news. As you're gonna get first-hand information. You know what's going to happen? Make we watch one Olamide video. You go score the song for us.
You see what they do? People that see, they don't make them beat me. They don't get security. I don't get security. That's as I leave.
Una need to know say, na just in opinion.
Na opinion.
You feel.
If you know, just enjoy the video they want to just watch, make una sharply subscribe to our channel. Not done.